Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a complete review of the Boult Audio Maverick. So here's the box. In India, these earbuds are priced at $17.99 and it comes in black color and it's available online on its official website, Amazon and Flipkart. Now the main highlights for these earbuds would be the new combat gaming mode, which can give you latency up to 45 milliseconds, comes with quad mic Zen mode with ENC, and it also has a pretty cool looking design. Well, at least these are the most highlighting stuff. I'll talk more about the features in a minute. Now without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box. It's got a pretty cool design all around. On the front it just says Maverick for everyone, not just gamers. On the sides we got the branding. On the other side there's a quick preview of the earbud. Well, honestly, just looking at it, you really can't make out anything. So just stay tuned. On the bottom side we have some of the highlights like the extra bass, built-in mic, it has HD deep bass and 3D acoustics, it comes with 1-year warranty and has built-in micro woofers. On the top we got the slogan once again. Now finally on the back side we got some more information about the highlights, we got the call and music controls, we can trigger Siri or Google Assistant, it's got noise cancellation and many more. Now let's unbox it. First we have a smaller envelope followed by the earbud case and a smaller accessory box. Inside the envelope we get the warranty card and user manual. Inside the accessory box we get a USB Type-C cable and some extra ear tips. Now this is the Boult Maverick earbuds case. Now first let's have a physical overview. Now this is how it looks from the front, from the sides and all around, just giving you a overall look. It definitely looks completely different from all other earbuds out there. At least when it comes to the charging case, it has a very ergonomic design, I would say. Well, if it was a car. Anyway, it does look pretty cool with its LED strip. Now starting from the top lid part is actually completely made of plastic. It's transparent, it has a frosted design and it has the branding Boult Maverick. As for the bottom side, even that is made of completely hard plastic and has some information. On the front, there is the LED strip which spans from one side to another. It's definitely a pretty long LED strip. Besides that, we also have a small groove just above the center part of the LED strip to open the top lid. Now on the back side, we got the regular USB Type-C charging port, and interestingly we also have a small LED light. It's probably a reset button, at least right now I'm not sure, and the light here is constantly on, probably indicating charging for the earbuds. Now let's open the case. These are the earbuds. Let's take them out. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. These earbuds definitely have a bit of weight to it and have a pretty different design. On the back side, we got the circular LED design with the branding at the center, which also acts like a touch panel. On the other side, there's just the ear tip. As for the stem, we got the left and right markings, there's the charging pins, and as for the mic, it's in a small L-shaped cutout from the side to the bottom. Now finally on the top side, there's also another small cutout. We can see the LED light from there, but I really don't know what it's for. At least there isn't any information on the manual. Now these are the complete specifications of these earbuds. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3, it has IPX5 water resistance, each earbud comes with a 10mm driver with Super Bass Boom X tech, which can further improve the overall bass that you can get. The case itself weighs about 51 grams and each earbud weighs about 4 grams. Now the most unique features about these earbuds would be the combat gaming mode, which can give you a low latency of 45 milliseconds. Especially for games like PUBG or Call of Duty, this latency is very important. If you're not playing games or just listening to music or watching videos, you can just disable the gaming mode. Now as for the battery life, you can get up to 7 hours of playback time on the earbuds and 35 hours of playback time including the charging case, which is definitely pretty good. Now let's look at the pairing process. The pairing process is actually pretty simple. You just need to open the case for the very first time and both the earbuds enter the pairing mode. Then you can just go to your phone, turn on Bluetooth and start searching for a new device. Then just select Boult Audio Maverick and that's it. Now when it comes to the functionality, we just got a touch interface on both the earbuds. You can just do a tap on both earbuds to play or pause the music. You can do a double tap on the right earbud to play the next track. You can do a double tap on the left earbud to play the previous song. You can also tap and hold on the right earbud to toggle the combat mode. That's for gaming. You can do a tap and hold on the left side to trigger voice assistant. Whether it's Google Assistant or Siri, that depends on your phone. Now as for the review, let's start off with the design and build. Now, just from the initial impressions, you can say that it has a pretty fancy looking, cool design which is targeted towards the gamers, especially because of all those cool LED lights. Now, it definitely looks pretty cool, so if you're a teenager or if you're into games, then you'll really like the design. These earbuds also look pretty cool. They have a newer design with long battery life and the cool looking LED on the top. Overall, in terms of design and build, I'll say it's pretty cool and looks pretty fancy. Now when it comes to the audio quality, I'll say the audio quality is really great. It is very well balanced. At high volumes there's no distortion. Even at lower volumes you can still hear a lot of details and it retains a lot of quality. And the sound is not harsh even up to 80 or 90% volume, which is pretty good. Above 90% volume, it sounds pretty loud. And yes, there is a bit of bass. I won't say it's extra bass, it has a lot of bass, but yes, it definitely has a bit of bass, at least a bit of more bass than other headsets in this price segment. Now when it comes to the call quality, once again it's pretty good. There isn't a lot of ambient noise and both sides are audible and clear. Here's a quick audio sample from the Maverick earbuds.
Because this is a quick audio sample recorded using the Maverick. The voice itself is from the mic, but the audio is being recorded as a call recording. So this is basically how it sounds. Right now I'm in a pretty silent room, you can say, with a fan, and this is how it sounds. So there you got it.
Now finally, when it comes to the battery life, I couldn't use it completely for a week, but I did use them for 2 to 3 days, and on average I got about 5 to 6 hours of playback time just from the earbuds. And with the charging case, you can easily get more than 28 hours of playback time, which is pretty good. And by the way, I've also tested the combat gaming mode, and there is a difference between playing games with combat mode on and with combat mode off. So especially for gamers who play games like PUBG and Call of Duty, I would definitely recommend you these earbuds. So guys, this is the new Boult Audio Maverick. It's just priced at $17.99. It looks cool. Audio quality is also pretty good. Especially the mic on these earbuds is much better than other earbuds in this price segment. So if this is all that you're looking for in a true wireless earbud, then you can definitely consider buying this product. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.